This is an example of Exact Roofing estimating a roof. Exact Roofing can estimate from a photograph, PDF or site measure. In this example, we will show how to estimate from a site measure shown on the left. We will start by Plan, Construct, Outline. And we will come across 6600. Down 16800. We can also use the arrow keys, followed by an enter. And we can right click and say close to start rectangular. We can verify our dimensions by going Plan, Dimension, 2D Auto, expanding. As one would expect, the site measure is slightly incorrect, in this case by 300 millimeters, but we will accept that error. Now go to Plan, Construct. We can draw all the hips, but the easiest way is to go roof skeleton, and it creates a skeleton for us. Clearly the skeleton is slightly out of the bottom area here, so we will just correct that. Plan, Construct, Polyline. We'll pick up this point here, we'll come down vertically to this point here, and we'll move down there, and then we will draw down there. Plan, Construct, Polyline again. Pick up that point there, and come across at -135 to there. Now we can trim that back by Plan, Construct, Trim Extend, click on that line, click on that line, and now the model is drawn correctly. Now we will apply roofing to this model, Plan, New Roof Area, click on the eave line. We don't know the pitch, so click on the pitch button, and we'll type in 3400. And it's a rise run of 3 to 12. The Safite 400. Go next. Now we will select our roofing. It could be corrugate, it could be tiles. We can have netting, turn it off, underlay, insulation. We can have battens or purlins. We've got eaves. We could have bird stop on the eave. We can have fascia, gutter. Starts off thinking that's a barge or a verge, and on the ridge we've got some product on the ridge. Then similarly we can go Plan, New Roof Area again, click on the eave line. Everything is the same. This time is identified that that is a hip and asking for the product to be on the hip. Now we can go Plan, New Roof Area again, or simply hit the space bar to get the last command. Now on this we haven't got an eave, so we'll click on the ridge, change it to a ridge. We can show existing heights. It's 3217, which is what it's automatically come up with. Click on that, it has incorrectly got that, so we'll go back, we'll click there, we'll go next edge, next edge, next edge. Now we have our eave line. Now this time it's identified there's a valley. And now we have finished the roof. Note up here on the tree diagram, it has got 159 meters of roof, and we can click on the individual roofs and edit them if we wish to. Go to the 3D model. We can rotate the 3D model as a cross check to make sure that we've got everything. Go to the stock page. The program has automatically tried to optimize the roofing iron. Go to the quote page. This is all customizable. Bill of materials, there it is showing the sheets of iron, the building paper, a plan to cross check what you've done, a labour quote, and various other reports. Back to the plan. This shows how we can estimate a roof in Exact Roofing from a site measure in a few minutes.